Crypto Housewife here. Have you guys heard of Digibyte? Digibyte's been around for 8 years now. It's a fork off of Bitcoin. It's mineable, and I think it's a sleeping giant and a long-term hold. Not financial advice, but I'm taking my own advice on it. So yeah, you do what you want, but today I want to talk about Digibyte, and we will go over Digibyte's January update. And there's a lot to go over. Something's going on with Digibyte. So this is their website. Very beautiful website. Straightforward, easy to follow. They are really, really secure. And we'll just thumb through it quickly. And there we go. Okay. So let's go back to their chart. So this is Digibyte's weekly chart. I don't have the whole 8 years on this one. I just wanted to eyeball it quickly with you guys. So that's our weekly chart. And we're going to skip over to the daily chart. I'll try to reset it. Always takes me a while because there's something I see on here that I like. So this is the 8-day moving average, and the green line is the 21. And I'm waiting for 8-day, the red line, this is called the red line, to cross above the green line, the 21-day. And if that happens, I'm expecting something like this to happen, a little uptrend. But of course, right now we're March 1st, 2022, and over here, Russia invaded Ukraine. Everything kind of dumped down. So we're at a time where the war and other economic instabilities can affect crypto the way it does the stock market. So I don't want to go out on a limb and say everything's going to be coming up roses real soon for Digibyte or any other crypto because of what we're going through right now. But I personally am bullish long-term on Digibyte. And I mean, when I say long-term, I mean years. So take that with a grain of salt, not financial advice, but I really like this crypto a lot. And I have for, I'm not sure, since spring 2021. And we know that a lot of cryptos downtrended to this point, but that's just how it goes. Things go up, things go down. But I like Digibyte for a long-term hold. Again, not financial advice. Do what you want. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you if it's going to go up, down, or sideways, but that's just my take. And there's reasons why I think it's a good long-term hold. Yeah, so let's jump over here. Coin market cap, you're going to see everything from way back here to when it opened up in 2014. It opened up really, really cheap at 0.0003 cents. So a fraction of a penny. Imagine. Yeah, been nice to get in there and wait. And so anybody who waited, held and waited, well, they got a good payoff. And then it pulled back in. Anybody who got in again, waited, pulled back in. And you know what I tell you about, especially in the stock market and even with some cryptos, they tend to want to break their all-time highs. So here we had a high, and then it went down, and then what happened? It just had enough steam to break that all-time high and then pull back in again. So I look at a lot of cryptos as being on sale right now. Not financial advice, but when things are low, it's hard not to say that, because they are low. They're low in price. They are on sale. So, and this is where we are today, right here. So I don't know what the future is, but like I said, Digibyte's a solid project. And let's see here what I usually do. Okay, if somebody put in $100, how many Digibytes would you get? There we go. You get 4,508 Digibytes for $100 US. And yeah, that's great. That's a good price, but not financial advice. Okay. So anyway, let's go back to the max supply. 21 billion is the max supply of Digibyte. Now, the 21, what does that remind you of? Bitcoin. Bitcoin's max supply will be right here, 21 million. So Digibyte is 21 billion. Just to give you an idea, and we have 15 billion in total supply. This is a mineable a mineable coin. And it's a coin, it's not a token, it's a coin. Yeah, a layer one. The website's here. We'll get to that. Well, we're just on the website. White paper, mineable. And let's see, market cap 335 million. Room to grow. Definitely room to grow. So I intend to make more videos about Digibyte in the future. Subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of thing. And I have a lot more other crypto playlists available too. So, okay, let's jump over to Twitter. I do believe this is their official Twitter page, and they have 239,000 followers. All right, 8 years old now. Got a birthday in January. So let's just scroll down here. So we're going to look over their February update. A lot of things I'll just go over with you there. So the February update is here. It's been a short month, but it's been wonderful to see that progress is still being made. Thank you to all of those who support Digibyte. All right. So we're there. And now let's go to their update. All right. Another steady month of development, articles, and exchange listings for Digibyte. That's pretty important. It is amazing to see what the community and developers continue to do month in and month out. Let's keep a positive energy going, onwards and upwards. I love that. All right, milestone news. Crypto.com has now provided the ability to deposit and withdraw Digibyte on their platform. This is wonderful news as an exchange located in the United States. And two, it's great to see CoinRabbit continue to enhance their platform. Digibyte is one of the supported cryptocurrencies on CoinRabbit. And it's wonderful to see Abra continue to support Digibyte over the years. The platform is easy to use and helps provide a way for folks that want to buy or sell digital assets. Change Hero has created a new infographic for Digibyte, which is a great representative of what the blockchain is about. Awesome job. Swap Zone was offering a promotion to reduce fees on their platform for swapping Digibyte. Okay. Now Payments has announced that Digibyte can be accepted via e-commerce plugins. Okay. BTC Square has listed Digibyte on their platform. Guarda Wallet is offering more options for Digibyte users. A nice infographic from Digicorp Labs regarding Digibyte discussing advantages and other stats. There's been a lot of hard work on the 8.22 merge. You can check out more at GitHub. Community member Marcus Bergeron released a new article and discusses various use cases, which includes Digibyte. All right. So you can see there's tons of new, I'm not going to go through all of it. And we're about at the end. Okay, about Digibyte. Digibyte is more than a faster digital currency. It is an innovative blockchain that can be used for digital assets, smart contracts, decentralized applications, and secure authentication. All right. I'm going to jump over to good old Motley Fool. All right, three reasons to buy Digibyte. Now, again, right now it's March 1st, 2022. So this was November 23rd, 2021. So a couple months ago. 3 reasons to buy Digibyte. And I think the same holds true for today after reading it. So Digibyte could be one of the most overlooked cryptocurrencies in the market with a speed and security advantage worth considering. And that is so true. That's why I kind of opened with this saying it's a sleeping giant. Could be a sleeping giant. Looks like one to me. So Digibyte is a unique 3-layer cryptocurrency that is poised to make solid gains in the markets over time because of its unique dedication to security. It also has an impressive ability to support digital assets like decentralized applications and smart contracts. So Digibyte has flown under the radar for years. I agree with that. So, and from a long-term perspective, these are just the kinds of coins to look at. So again, this is Motley Fool saying that, and it's not financial advice. Even though I'm siding with this, I like what they're saying. I believe it too, but who knows what will happen. So Digibyte is still relatively affordable, trading at 6 cents at the time of that article. It's not right now, it's less. And with some analysis predicting a return to the heights of earlier this summer, and they think that it could go up to 50 cents by 2030. Okay, not financial advice, but I'm glad they're saying that. Okay, so they want to see it at 50 cents. All right, what could happen? Okay, and what so this article is about three things they like about Digibyte. So Digibyte is built for speed. To really understand why Digibyte is such a useful coin, it is necessary to understand Bitcoin fundamentally. Now, Bitcoin is not scalable, at least not to the degree other cryptos are. Bitcoin has a transaction limit of 7 transactions per second. This makes it impossible to scale up to the level of Visa credit card, which can process 56,000 transactions per second. Let that sink in. Bitcoin can only do 7 transactions per second. Visa, 56,000 transactions per second. Digibyte has a chance in this space. It can process 560 transactions per second, which is incredibly fast. Even Ethereum can only handle 13 transactions per second. Wow, I really didn't realize that about Ethereum. Okay, why does this all matter? Because Digibyte can scale, which gives them room to grow. Ethereum, which has a much larger network, has been stifled in recent times by the limitations of its network and its high gas fees. This is fundamentally because it cannot process enough transactions per second. Digibyte has a solution for this. It is cost effective and quick. That is great news for investors looking for a crypto with a bright future. So again, not financial advice, but definitely I'm seeing it as a long-term hold or long-term hodl. Now, Digibyte is secure. Digibyte uses a proof of work consensus mechanism to verify its blockchain, like Bitcoin and Ethereum do. The difference is that Digibyte uses 5 different algorithms to secure its network. This creates an incredibly secure and decentralized blockchain. It would be nearly impossible to take over 51% of the hash rate of Digibyte network and create a double spend attack, which happened to Ethereum Classic 3 times in August 2022, crippling the price of the coin. Digibyte does not have this vulnerability. Digibyte is uniquely poised in the world of proof-of-work blockchains with the most secure network available. This gives the coin resilience and is more great news for investors looking for a long-term hold in the crypto world. Again, long-term hold. Now, Digibyte is a community-driven project. Digibyte was never funded by an initial coin offering, or ICO, or a significant amount of pre-mined coins. It doesn't have a parent company or CEO. Rather, Digibyte is volunteer and community-driven. And if you want to see more about Digibyte, just go onto YouTube and type it in. Look for like maybe Digibyte AMA or interviews or something, and you will see, real people talking. You're not going to just see cartoon images of people on their website. You're going to see like the real guys behind it. So very interesting to look at. So what does this mean? Well, this means Digibyte is truly decentralized. Digibyte's community-driven roots also lead to transparency. This is great news for investors because in the world of crypto, it is so common for true intentions of developers to be masked. Investors need only to look at the recent Squid Games token rug pull to know how dangerous the world of crypto can be. So true. I also have a video in my playlist about Squid Game and that rug pull. So Digibyte is an established coin with a verified community. It is here to stay. Good, and I hope it does stay. So, oh my gosh. Anyway, I won't read any more of this, and we'll just jump over here. If you wanted to go on to Investopedia, very good website, and they have crypto definitions and background also. And, if you want to know what Digibyte is, they just say Digibyte is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and blockchain platform. DGB tokens are used as a medium of exchange for decentralized applications and smart contracts built on the Digibyte blockchain. So, and we're going to just jump back over here for a second. Coin market cap, because I didn't go over this part down here. Markets. Where can you buy? Where you can buy it? So you can buy it on Binance, KuCoin. Oh my gosh, a whole bunch of other ones. And the list is getting longer. So, and there is room to grow. They're not listed on all the major exchanges yet. So that's good because they're almost, okay, not financial advice here, but a lot of times when a new coin is listed onto an exchange, the price goes up, especially a big name exchange. So you thumb through here, they are not listed everywhere. Binance to me is the biggest one, and I don't see Coinbase. So I'm seeing room to grow. Even though it's still been around for 8 years, we'll see what happens. I'd heard Coinbase rumors. Still waiting for it because I haven't seen it happen yet. And if that happens, well, could be good. So yeah, good old Digibyte, something to look into, something to consider, something to keep your eye on. At least I'm watching it. I love Digibyte. And yeah, if you guys could please subscribe to my channel. I have tons of videos on cryptocurrency there. And I plan on making more Digibyte videos. And this is not financial advice. I love crypto. I love cryptocurrency. I love everything about it. I have this channel. Just it helps me to learn more about crypto and keep my eye on what's going on in the crypto world, because a lot of cryptocurrencies jump up or down based on catalysts, and it's not always about what we see in the charts. Catalysts are important, meaning the headlines, the news about a crypto. If you know something like what's going to happen, if you have anticipate something, you can see, oh, they're going to do something here. I'm hearing rumors of, Coinbase is going to list whatever crypto, and that's when people kind of ape in at the low and then poof, get out on the same day of the listing. And maybe 10x, maybe 5x, I don't know. I'm just saying. So that's why catalysts, and keeping an eye on catalysts and watching channels like mine, so you know what's going on. And yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.